I wanted to create a miniature furniture kit that anyone with a 3D printer can build and is easier to assemble, so I designed it in Autodesk Fusion. I modeled each piece in Fusion 360, adjusted the clearances, and added snap-fit joints so it all fits together without glue. Then I printed the bed, nightstand, and desk in PLA. Everything comes right off the bed, ready to assemble. Assembly is quick and satisfying, just like a puzzle. Each piece clicks right into place. And here's the finished kit, a tiny 3D printed furniture kit you can build and customize yourself. I'd love to turn more of these into printable kits for anyone interested. For anyone with a 3D printer, I'm sharing the link below. And if you don't have a 3D printer, comment below. I'll ship you a printed